This beanie fits a 6 to 12-month-old baby, which fits a head size of roughly 40 to 45 centimetres. 8-ply wool. This is an Italian wool and it feels absolutely divine. Using size 3.5 needles, stocking stitch for 8 rows, and then swap to your 4mm needles and stocking stitch for a total of 16 centimetres. Then we simply have 15 rows of our decreasing and then it's finished. This is a quick and easy beanie. It's got lots of stretch in it. It looks fabulous, particularly with this little roll, and I cannot wait to see it on. Stocking stitch is easy and its effect is beautiful, particularly if you're using a multicoloured wool. Cast on 85 stitches. Then with your 3.5 needles, you're going to stocking stitch for 8 rows. It's 1 row of knitting and you knit all the way to the end. And then it's a purl row. 1 row of purl. This is the wrong side of your stocking stitch. Purl all the way to the end. Swap your needles to 4mm needles and then stocking stitch for a total of 16 centimetres. 1 row knit and 1 row purl. 15 rows of decreasing and then you sew it up and it's ready to go. Decreasing, start with knit 2 stitches together, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you continue knitting 2 together and knitting 4 all the way to the end. Rows 2 to 4, you just continue with your stocking stitch. So that's 1 row of purl, 1 row of knitting. And you continue all the way to the end. Row 5, knit 2 stitches together, knit 3, 1, knit 2, knit 3, and you continue all the way to the end. Row 6 to 8 is stocking stitch. Row number 9 of our decreasing, knit 2 stitches together, knit 2, and you continue all the way to the end. Row number 10 is a purl. Purl all the way to the end. Knit 2 stitches together, knit 1. Row number 12 is a very quick purl. Purl all the way to the end. Row number 13, knit 2 stitches together all the way along. The final row in our decreasing is purl 2 stitches together. And continue all the way to the end. To finish off, I knit 1 row of knitting and then you're done. This is going to look fantastic. Perfect. And now it's time to sew it together. With a tapestry needle, gently place the stitches onto the needle. Pull the yarn through. I like to secure a few stitches at the top. And pull gently. At the top of your beanie, simply secure those stitches together. And now turn your beanie inside out. Oh, fantastic. Oh, how beautiful. A quick and simple beanie. I love the way the ends curl. It's got lots of stretch in it. And using this multicolored wool, it just looks divine. I hope you enjoy it.